Hey there everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching another one of my videos. Today I'm going to be doing a freezer and fridge clean out. Before I begin, my name is Marlene and my channel's name is Marlene's Menagerie. I share grocery hauls, cleaning, cooking, and also some gardening tips when summer comes around. So today I'm going to be cleaning out my freezer. I did my fridge and freezer on 2 separate days. My freezer got pretty bad because it got slightly left open and got tons of frost all in there, and we've been meaning to clean it for a long time. So here I am, we're taking all the junk out of it, and it actually was pretty cold out, so we just stuck all our freezer stuff in our garage so it wouldn't melt. And we are actually going to just unplug our freezer, and it'll show up here in a little bit. You can see how dirty it is. Look how gross that is. It's disgusting. So what we're going to do, we're just going to unplug the freezer, and we're going to just leave it for a couple of hours, and then we're going to scrape some of the ice off. And as you can see, there's all of my stuff, and it should be fine because it's winter time. We're also going to put a pan underneath the plug area so water does not drain on our floor. And so this is after we left it for a couple of hours. We're scraping all of the ice off. There was tons of ice on here, and then we just scooped it out with a dustpan and put it in a 5-gallon bucket, and then I'm going to clean the inside out of it, all the junk out inside of it. I just take any old cleaner is fine and some paper towels, and we used a sponge to soak up some of the water also. Also make sure you clean that little plug out so nothing gets stuck in there. And I almost fell in my freezer. And there it is. Super nice and clean. I love it. I don't know why I didn't do this a while ago. It's just kind of a pain in the butt to do. But I'm so glad it's done. So now we got to put everything back in here. I just try to organize it the best I could. We have a lot of like frozen beef that we get from a cow, so I'm not super good at organizing my fridge or freezer. It's just I just try to do the best I can. I don't really have any rhyme or reason to how I organize it, but after I was done, it did look a lot better. So here it is, all cleaned out, and my stuff's somewhat organized, and I love it. I don't know why I didn't do this a long time ago. So go clean your freezer out. You'll love it, and it will be worth it. So this is a separate day. I'm going to clean out my fridge today, and it's pretty crowded, and I usually do this about every couple months just because I like to keep up on it. Otherwise it gets really gross, and then it takes a lot more time to clean out. So I'm just going to kind of somewhat organize the drawers and take everything out. I'm going to take the drawers out. I'm going to take those little shelfy things out on this door, and I'm going to clean them off. And so I'm just taking all this stuff out, and then the next thing I will do is take these little drawer things out and clean them with soap and water. So here it is all cleaned, and I somewhat organized it. I didn't really need to throw any of my condiments away, so it does kind of look crowded, but I did the best I could. And now next I'm going to clean out this whole part of the refrigerator. And we actually don't throw away a lot of our food. Most of it goes to my chickens, like the scraps and stuff. So I think I just threw away some old rhubarb, but that was about it. Now I'm just going to take out all these drawers and going to wash them with soap and water, just like how I did with the other little pull-out drawers on the side of my refrigerator. Also, this is a broken part of the refrigerator. A lot of times if you go on Amazon, you can find replacement parts for your refrigerator. I know that we did that for one of our drawers that got broken on a refrigerator, and so I'll have to try to go on Amazon and see if I can find a replacement part. So that is nice about Amazon. You can find replacement parts for your refrigerator if you look hard. So now I'm just going to clean out the insides. I hate on the shelves, underneath the shelves, it gets really gross. It gets a lot of sticky stuff, so I'm just cleaning that out with just soap and water. I just filled up my sink with dish soap and water, and I'm just cleaning it out with that. Now I'm going to take out these drawers on the bottom. A lot of times I will vacuum these out with all the little crumbs in there, but I think I'm just going to scrape the crumbs out and throw them in the garbage. Then I'm going to also wash these too and get all the sticky stuff out of them. So here it is, my fridge is cleaned out, it's somewhat organized, and it feels really good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope I motivated you to go clean out your freezer or your fridge. It'll be worth it and you'll love it. So remember to follow me on Marlene's Menagerie on Instagram, and also subscribe down below, that red button, and also hit for the little bell for notifications. So I hope you guys have a great day, and thanks for watching again.